Hi guys, so we're coming back again, you know, with all your new programs. Alors check this out. Humble serviteur, maillot du nom de Bundes TV. So in a programme, I'm so moko kitoko, serna biso ya Kenyan alobi, ona Mibali.
This is a quick message from the East African girls to our Nigerian men. But I don't know where you get the idea that you come to us because you want us and because you want to use us for your pleasure. But let me break it to you, yeah? Let me break it to you. We come to you because we want you and because we want pleasure. Because to be honest, our East African men have starved us. They have starved us. They don't care if we are satisfied. They don't care if we get orgasms or not. But our Nigerian men care about our orgasms. They care if we were satisfied, and this is what we want. That's why we are coming to you, boo. I want, when I am done, my legs to be shaking and trembling like a leaf on a tree. Who doesn't want that? Sometimes we get stigmatized in the process and we hang on to it and we don't want to let go, but you know the reason now, yeah? You know the reason.
L'émission na biso eza lelo pona likambo ya ko satisfaire basi abiso. Alors, Sœur Nabiso y a sali déclaration na que non, y est vraiment atomba amoureux na côté ya baninja. Et ça opinion na alors mutu azana ndenge na a satisfaire basi. Alors exact que mutu batunyo so il faut bazala ndenge moko non. Alors y opinion na sali que non vraiment à sepelaka mingi que moi si azala satisfait et puis voilà c'est normal que moi si alingi pas satisfaire siko. Les alakana bande konsusu ba satisfaire basi na bangote ya mwana mona ke problème koma ke basi bakima ba. Alors soki ozake osalaka ba makambo na libanda ozala na yo na courage ya ko satisfaire mwasi na yo kitoko te. Yango ser na biso apesa ki opinion biso to yepoto toza ba maillot de nom de Bundes TV to yepoto éclaircir bino ndenge ser na biso alobi. Ya lobby que non, bon bah ninja bazali kitoko na mbeto. Alors malgré que basala à mobulu, mais quand même moi c'est faut nano azala satisfait na première position. Après mususu wana botala totala yango akotala yango sima. C'est un peu ça. Wana opinion à ser na biso. Sikoyo deuxièmement à lobby top 10 ya top 10 pardon, ya ba Mibali oyo ba zali na ba puya kasha ya minene.
When it comes to love and relationship, this data does not represent everyone because it's been taken from a small group of people. Number one, we have Nigerian. Nigerian men are universal players, international players. They play in the international universal leagues when it comes to love and relationship. They can be very obsessive and very possessive when you're in a relationship with them. They like to say sweet nothings and call you sweet names and make you fall in love, but they're not even there. They can be very aggressive and loud, and they're always in a group of friends who call everyone who comes to the house our wife. But baby, you might be thinking that you're special, but you're number 66. They can spoil their women and they love to show off. They're also known to be very good in bed. When a Nigerian man is going to sleep with you, they're representing their whole country. So they put all the effort so that they do not embarrass each other. Unlike some people we know. Top 10 countries in Africa that have men with the largest mujulus. Whether they know how to use it or not, I will let you be the judge. We have the Democratic Republic of Congo. We have Ghana. We have Cameroon. We have Sudan. We have Senegal. We have Gambia. We have Zambia. We have Zimbabwe. We have Nigeria, and we have South Africa. Just because your country has not been mentioned, it does not mean there are no people in your country with a big mujulus. Also, apparently, size does not matter. Or does it? Number two, we have Kenya. Kenyan men can be very loving and caring and can take care of you if you're their woman. If you get this, you are lucky. But if you fall for the other lot, the lot that will make you feel like a queen, make you fall in love, make your knees weak, only until you accept to be their girlfriend. And then they will just change. They'll start treating you like shit. They'll start sleeping around. And they will be throwing around careless words, very vulgar. They can beg for sex. Like, baby, let me just put in the tip. Those are Kenyan men. They get upset if you tell them that you're on your periods. And they can never spoil you unless they're getting something in return. I might be a little bit biased, but Yesterday, I was walking behind a couple of people who were talking shit about Kenyan girls. I mean, we have our share of bullshit, but let me tell you, Kenyan girls are beautiful, and we are beautiful inside and out. I don't want to argue with anyone. Yes, we love alcohol, but that's okay. But I'm gonna say that we are good people. We are good people, unless you mess with us. So if a Kenyan girl is mean to you, it's because you did something wrong. To be honest, let's not argue. I'm a Kenyan girl, and I don't want to argue, because if I argue, my forehead becomes bigger, and I don't like when my forehead is bigger. But I love you.
Alors atangi ba kombo ya ba pays nyonso oyo bazalaka vraiment na ba puya kasha ya minene. Alors c'est ça, sœur na biso vraiment azalaki très clair, asepeli mingi vraiment ko partager na bino pona ko signaler bino. Alors toyebi ke ba oyo bazalaka ba puya kasha minene bazali ya mikepe bazali. Mais ce que ezali ndenge nini yo ko satisfaire moi sinayo parce que belé ayebi ba système te yango mona ke basi bazalaka satisfait ya mike ezali pe ezalaka vraiment na ndenge ya ndenge kaka yo kozwela ndenge ni mwasi no ako lingela. Alors eza ba ndenge ebele ya kosala neti ba position neti ba makambo ebele ya kosala na kati wana mwasi ke azala satisfait. Mais soki ozake ozali na pu ya kasha monene okomona ke okimi apre osuki na nzela okozala pe ya moke okimi omoni ke okomi apre okimi lisusu oketi na suka. Alors moi c'est à satisfait. Alors ça dépend si il y a moi si na mobali ndenge nini bakutani ndenge nini balingali ndenge nini bazosala amour na bango. C'est un peu ça na koki ko éclaircir bino na sens wana. Merci. Ezalaki ya bino mayo Gino de Bundes TV. Tozongi si antenne pas ya Gino.
Say, oh, don't simp on him. Oh, don't show him that you love him. Don't show him your emotions. He will leave. So what if he leaves? My friend, if you love him, simp on him. Lick his face if you have to. Men also want this kind of love. They do. But read the room first. They have to like you back, because if you simp on someone who does not like you, and then you become a bother. But if he loves you back, simp on that man.
Mibali salaka na puya kasha ya minene. Alors alobi na vérité puya kasha minene izalango mais sikoyo ezapel ndenge ko satisfaire moi si ezaba ndenge belé oza na puya kasha na yo amuke mais ozo satisfaire moi si na yo kitoko. Alors ezalaka que selon musala oyo ozo sala ya minene ezaka vraiment musikate a lepa kape loki ezaneti muzo munene yango elingi koloba ke ezali ça dépend ya mutu na mutu ondenge azo satisfaire mwasi. Alors ozalaki kaka analyse nanga mpona sere na biso ya Kenyan bakenyan alingaka biso mingi, mais problème eza ke bino mpe oyeba ndenge nini ya kosatisfaire mwasi mpona mibali na bino mpona bakima bino ozalaki baregle ya mariage nzambe apakola bino.
This is a big message for this West African man. This is a message for the Nigerian ones, especially the Igbo men, walking around looking good, looking fresh, smelling good, making us want to get pregnant. Magiora, eh? Magiora, eh? Kerekresta apatasia ginanya. My friend, get out! Okay, I'm sorry. Come home. I want to get pregnant. Different characters.
Oui, message na biso bouti kolanda émission na biso ya lelo ezaki vraiment très génial. Alors beau s'abonner na maillot Gino de Bundes TV, vous ne serez pas déçus. Alors biso ba maillot Gino de Bundes TV tozaka kana ta Bundes biso présenter bino ba mission wa kitoko ke beaucoup va abonner. Alors vous allez décider. Alors beau s'abonner na maillot Gino de Bundes TV. Alors